What's up, Bessie? Welcome back to Math Savvy. Okay, how do you find the equation of a tangent line? This is the equation for the line. So memorize this. Memorize it. Okay, good job. Let's just start off with an example. It's going to be the same steps for every single one. So it's going to be like, find the equation of the tangent line of this function at a certain point. Okay, first step, write down this formula that you need to memorize. Okay, first step, this x1 is going to be whatever x point they give you, so plug it in. Okay, so the function is x cubed plus 2x, so it's going to be 1 cubed plus 2 times 1, which is equal to 3. So this is what we're going to be working with now. Our y1 is going to turn into 3. Okay. That's like, we're so close to being done. The last step is to solve for this m here. It's like a two-step process. First, you have to take the derivative of the original function. So it's going to turn into 3x squared plus 2. Now, once you've done that, the second part to find m is plug in whatever x value you have into the derivative function. So it turns into 3 times 1 squared plus 2, which is equal to 5. So 5 is going to be your m. So this is going to be your final answer. On WebAssign, they might make you simplify this a little bit more. So like distributing out the 5 and then moving the 3 to this side here. Yeah, okay, that's your answer. Let's try another example. Okay, find the equation of the tangent line for this function at x is equal to 2. Well, our first step, we already have this x1 here. It's just going to be 2, so plug that in. Next step is we want to plug in something for y1. We do that by plugging our x value into the function and solving for whatever y gives you. So to solve for y1, it's going to be 4 times 2 squared minus 3 times 2. Okay, that's 16 minus 6, it's equal to 10. So our y1 is going to be 10. All right, now we need to solve for this m value right here. So again, to solve for the m value, it's two steps. First is take the derivative of the function and then plug in the x value. So first we have to find the derivative. Well, the derivative of 4x squared minus 3x is just 8x minus 3. Now we can plug in our x value, which is 2. So f prime of 2 is going to be equal to 13. So this is going to be our answer. It's really as simple as that. This is the equation of the tangent line for this function at x is equal to 2. All right, same thing, but for sine of x at x is equal to pi. So this looks a little bit scarier, but it's the same steps as before. First step is write down the line formula. Now we plug and check. Yeah! We have our x1 already, that's equal to pi, so we can plug it in. Now our next step is to solve for the y1. Yeah, and we do that by plugging x into the function that they give us and solving for y. So sine of pi, well, let's think. If this is our unit circle, pi is right here, and sine is like how far up and down it goes on this line, which is 0. So sine of pi is equal to 0. All right, y minus 0 is equal to m times x minus pi is what we have so far. All we need now is to solve for m. Remember, solving for m, two steps. First step is take the derivative of the function. Well, the derivative of sine is going to be cosine. Then second step is to plug the x value into the function. So cosine of pi, if we look, here's our unit circle. That's a good drawing. Okay. Cosine is right here, or pi is right here. The cosine of that value is negative 1. So cosine of pi is equal to negative 1. Cool. So now that we've simplified things in, we have this negative 1 right here. Simplify it a little bit more. We get y is equal to negative x plus pi. All right, cool. So if you want more help on this, I'm available for tutoring at math-savvy.com. Look at the links in the bio for more information. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.